Hmm. Ah, hello and welcome. I am the awful chef. I'm going to get hungry, so I better think about making something for dinner. Gee, that doesn't happen every night, does it? Okay, so what do we got? Now, for those of you who watch this show or watch this channel out there in TV land, I mean YouTube land, yeah, look at the gray hair, I'm getting old. Know that Mrs. Chef likes her steaks basically raw with salt and pepper. The woman could literally go out into a field and chew on a live cow and call that dinner. Me, not so much. Mainly because I grew up with live cows, and they aren't very good dinner companions. So, what do we got? I got some steaks, a pair of London broils, nice cheap ones, coated in garlic salt, Lawry's brand, black pepper, a little chili powder, and a little paprika just for fun. I'm going to go ahead and cook these up on a gas grill. No, we do everything live, so I will not be mysteriously reappearing with cooked steaks. Ta-da! Yes, we are the awful chef. We do everything live. What are we going to do live tonight? Well, other than talk about steaks that I'm going to cook up on the gas grill in a little while. It's too windy to do charcoal. Otherwise, they'd be really good steaks tonight. We're going to do some chimichurri. What's a chimichurri? It's a good steak sauce from our friends south of the border. So, we're going to do two of them, green and red. So what makes a green chimichurri? Well, a little bit of parsley. And in fact, I'm using curly parsley, none of that fancy Italian parsley. But unfortunately, we also need a little, that fancy cilantro stuff. Yeah. Some red pepper flakes, south of the border. A little bit of dried oregano, preferably Mexican oregano if you got it. Surprisingly enough, a little bit of red wine vinegar. Alright, at this point I have a parsley cilantro salad sitting in a little bowl. And the thing is, this is a very herb-focused sauce. So, let's add some oil to that salad. And some salt. I have way too much garlic, finely chopped, in a little olive oil and salt. And I'm going to use half of it in this green chimichurri sauce. Okay. So mixing this up, it looks kind of like a pesto at this point, and that's not bad news. It definitely needs more oil though. The oil provided by the garlic cloves was just not enough. Okay. So, green chimichurri, garlic, dried oregano, parsley, cilantro, red pepper flakes, salt, of course, a little red wine vinegar, and of course the magic ingredient is thyme. T-I-M-E, to let this settle down. Okay, that is probably going to need a little bit of salt as well. Let me taste what I've got so far. Oh my God. Yes. And that does need salt. I've never done chimichurri before, and so I don't know I didn't actually know if I'd be uploading this video to YouTube, actually. But yes, this is a wonderful dish. I encourage you to try it. The ingredient list, of course, will be in the description of this video. A little more salt. But oh my heavens. So the texture here is basically a rough chopped pesto. Technically, you should run this through a food processor if you want to be gourmet about it. I will not be doing so. This is magnificent on its own as is. Oh my heavens. Mrs. Chef is in for a treat. She likes this South American Argentinian style of food. And this, oh my heavens, is going to be magnificent on some freshly grilled, spiced, thinly sliced, across the grain, London broil. Okay, that's an awfully cheap way to make a YouTube video. Let's do some more. So what do I got here? Now I got a pan full of oil. A little bit of, motion sick. Everybody get motion sick. A lot of store-bought paprika, just off-the-shelf paprika. A lot of red pepper flakes. Yeah, that is some spicy flavored oil right there. Let's put that in a little bowl. Okay, I actually need to find a spatula because some of that is sticking to the pan. Or I should say not pouring out easily, and I want all of it. So, what do we throw in there? Now, how about some garlic? So again, that pan was paprika, red pepper flakes, dried oregano, and olive oil. This gets some more olive oil and garlic. Then let me check my magic cheat sheet here. So, paprika, red pepper flakes, oregano, garlic, balsamic vinegar. This is the infamous red chimichurri sauce. So, let's stir that up and give it a taste. Oh, Jesus. I did not just say that on YouTube, but I did. Need some more red pepper flakes. So there we are on YouTube. I got a steak or two. What did I do with my steaks? Oh, there they are. Coated in garlic salt, black pepper, chili powder, and a little paprika for good luck. On a rack to dry in the fridge, left overnight. Yeah, that's going to cook up good. Going to be thin sliced and cooked on a gas griddle, of course. Served with red, thoroughly invisible to the camera, or green, depending upon your taste at the moment. Oh, there we go. There's some green chimichurri. Let me show you the red again. Oh, that red has a slow burn to it. I think I'm going to just throw that in some vodka and call it a night. The sweet from the balsamic vinegar and the spice from everything else makes that truly wonderful. So, that's it. I'm the Awful Chef. We are going to have steak with red and green, well, grilled steak. I can't talk. With red and green chimichurri sauce. Yeah, and it's all Mrs. Chef's fault that I can't talk because she demanded we have some chicken stock tonight. So that's it. I am the Awful Chef. Please try some of these recipes. The red and green chimichurri will be magnificent on a freshly grilled steak. And that's it. Thank you and goodbye. Oh yeah, it's social media, so do that social thing and subscribe. Thank you, goodbye.